We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. Life exists only at this very moment, and in this moment it is infinite and eternal, for the present moment is infinitely small. Before we can measure it, it is gone, and yet it exists forever. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. Man suffers only because he takes seriously what the gods made for fun. Muddy water is best cleared by leaving it alone. To have faith is to trust yourself to the water. When you swim, you don't grab hold of the water, because if you do, you will sink and drown. Instead, you relax and float. The more a thing tends to be permanent, the more it tends to be lifeless. Try to imagine what it will be like to go to sleep and never wake up. Now try to imagine what it was like to wake up having never gone to sleep. Here is the vicious circle. If you feel separate from your organic life, you feel driven to survive. Survival going on living thus becomes a duty and also a drag because you are not fully with it. Because it does not quite come up to expectations, you continue to hope that it will, to crave for more time, to feel driven all the more to go on. A scholar tries to learn something every day. A student of Buddhism tries to unlearn something daily. Every intelligent individual wants to know what makes him tick, and yet is at once fascinated and frustrated by the fact that oneself is the most difficult of all things to know. Life is like music for its own sake. We are living in an eternal now, and when we listen to music, we are not listening to the past, we are not listening to the future, we are listening to an expanded present. It is better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. Meditation is the discovery that the point of life is always arrived at in the immediate moment.